Let's breathe new life into your veranda with the latest spring decor trends. Explore a range of ideas to refresh your outdoor space and embrace the vibrant spirit of the season. Chic comfort. Combine comfort and sophistication on your veranda with plush seating and natural accents. Create an inviting atmosphere that beckons you to unwind and savor the beauty of spring. Nature's palette. Celebrate the diverse colors of spring on your veranda, from vibrant greens to blooming flowers. Immerse yourself in the vibrant hues of the season, connecting with nature's abundance. Swing into spring. Experience the joy of spring on a hanging rattan swing, surrounded by lush greenery. Find moments of serenity and delight as you sway gently in the breeze. Rustic meets refined. Strike a balance between rustic textures and modern elegance on your veranda. Create a harmonious blend of nature-inspired elements and sleek design accents. Morning bliss in blooms. Start your day with the gentle beauty of fresh flowers and pastel hues. Let your veranda become a sanctuary of peace and renewal as you embrace the simplicity of spring mornings. Sunshine and symmetry. Harness the cheerful energy of sunshine with symmetrical arrangements and vibrant yellow accents. Achieve harmony and balance on your veranda, reflecting the joyful spirit of spring. Harvest of serenity. Celebrate the bounty of spring with wicker baskets overflowing with greenery. Transition seamlessly from garden to veranda, embracing the abundance of the season. Vertical gardens and woven wonders. Maximize space and style with vertical herb gardens and rattan accents. Combine form and function on your veranda, creating a green oasis that delights the senses. Fresh florals. Welcome spring with open arms by incorporating fresh flowers into your veranda decor. Revel in the beauty of nature's bounty, bringing renewal and vitality to your outdoor space. Blue as the sky. Evoke serenity and calmness with shades of blue, from painted floors to flower pots. Let the soothing hues of the sky envelop your veranda, providing a serene backdrop for your outdoor retreat. Pop of pattern. Infuse energy and character into your veranda with bold patterns on cushions and rugs. Spark conversations and embrace the lively essence of spring with vibrant decor accents. Classic elegance. Embrace timeless elegance with a white-themed veranda, punctuated by blue floral arrangements. Experience the purity of design and the tranquility it brings to your outdoor sanctuary. Cozy corner for serenity. Indulge in comfort and tranquility with a snug corner adorned with soft textures and gentle swings. Let neutral tones and gentle greenery transform your veranda into a haven of relaxation. Swinging in style. Elevate your veranda with a sophisticated swing sofa, combining comfort and style. The surrounding greenery and tasteful decor elements create a serene alcove, perfect for enjoying the fresh spring air and the calming views of your garden. Bold and beautiful blues. Evoke serenity and calmness with shades of blue, from painted floors to flower pots. Let the soothing hues of the sky envelop your veranda, providing a serene backdrop for your outdoor retreat. Embrace the essence of spring on your veranda with these refreshing decor trends. Whether you prefer cozy corners or bold hues, let your outdoor space reflect the beauty and vitality of the season. Refresh, rejuvenate, and revel in the magic of spring on your veranda.